There are cars and then there are legends, machines that don't just move people from one place to another but move the spirit, stir the soul and ignite something deep within us. Among these legends stands one name bold and intimate, the Ford Mustang. Narrator: the Mustang is more than a car, it is a statement, a declaration of freedom, courage and relentless ambition. For nearly 6 decades it has symbolized the dreamers, the doers, the rebels and the risk-takers, those who refuse to live life in neutral, those who hit the gas when others hesitate. Narrator: life is not about standing still, life is about acceleration. Every one of us has a road to travel, a race to run, a finish line to cross, and just like the Mustang we must embrace the journey with strength, with passion and with an unshakable will to keep going. Narrative: Ford first unveiled the Mustang in 1964. It wasn't just a car, it was a revolution. Affordable, stylish, powerful, it spoke to a generation that wanted more than safety and routine. They wanted thrill, they wanted adventure, they wanted to feel alive, and that spirit hasn't faded. Today the Mustang still carries the torch of freedom, lighting the way for everyone bold enough to chase their own destiny. Narrator: think about your own journey, the obstacles, the doubts, the moments you felt like slowing down, but just like a Mustang engine, your spirit is built for power. You weren't made to crawl through life, you were made to roar, to take control of the wheel, to drive toward your vision, no matter how far or how impossible it may seem. Narrator: every Mustang has one thing in common: heart, the heart of performance, the heart of persistence, the heart of passion, and so do you. Inside you lies horsepower greater than any challenge. Inside you is the grit to outpace fear, to outlast doubt, to outrun failure. Narrator: people will tell you to play it safe, to slow down, to follow the same road as everyone else. But legends are not made by driving in someone else's lane. Legends are made by carving your own. That is why the Mustang has endured, not because it followed trends, but because it set them. It never asked for permission, it just showed up, bold, unapologetic, undeniable. Narrator: you too are a Mustang. You were not designed to live in the shadows. You were not built for average. You were built to stand out, to be seen, to chase horizons no one else dares to reach. Every setback you faced was just a gear shift preparing you for greater acceleration. Every challenge was fuel, every failure just a pit stop on your way to victory. Narrator: the Mustang's roar is not just the sound of an engine, it is the sound of possibility. It's a reminder that you can always start again, you can always hit the throttle no matter where you've been, no matter how rough the road, there is always another gear waiting to be unleashed. Narrator: so ask yourself, are you idling in life, or are you ready to drive forward with purpose? Are you stuck in traffic with doubt, or are you daring enough to break free, to take the open road, to live at full speed? Narrator: life is short, too short to live in fear, too short to drive with the brakes on, too short to silence your roar. The Mustang teaches us this: every day is a chance to push harder, to dream bigger, to live louder, to turn the key and ignite the fire within. Narrator: you are capable of more than you know. Your potential is not limited by your past, your failures, or your fears. It is fueled by your determination, your resilience, and your courage to keep driving forward. You are the Mustang of your own life, timeless, powerful, unstoppable narrator. So get behind the wheel of your destiny, leave hesitation behind, hit the road with conviction, and when the world hears your roar, let it be a reminder that nothing can stop a soul built to run free. Narrator, this is Mustang Word Count 1005. Would you like me to also format this into a voice-over script with scene directions, or keep it as a flowing monologue style?